countries secretly leading the AI race. When headlines frame AI as a two-horse race between the United States and China, they miss something vital. A handful of nations are quietly punching far above their weight, setting standards, seeding breakthroughs, and building ecosystems that steer the field. Let's spotlight 5 of those countries and why their strategies matter. First, the United Kingdom. Its secret power isn't scale, it's depth. London, Cambridge, and Oxford anchor a dense network of labs, startups, and policy centers. The country nurtured foundational research that shaped modern machine learning and continues to invest in safety, evaluation, and governance. Its playbook mixes world-class science with thoughtful rulemaking, making the UK a venue where advanced capabilities and responsible deployment evolve together. Second, South Korea. Renowned for precision manufacturing and design, it's channeling those strengths into AI chips, robotics, autonomous systems, and multimodal models. Conglomerates collaborate with universities and government programs to move from research to production quickly. Crucially, South Korea is one of the few places that can fabricate advanced semiconductors at scale, making it central to the supply chain that powers AI everywhere else. Third, Canada. Long before deep learning was fashionable, Canada funded it. The result is a brain trust that trained generations of researchers now leading global labs. Hubs like Toronto, Montreal, and Edmonton pair academic excellence with startup energy, while welcoming immigration policies continue to attract top talent. Canada's advantage is intellectual compounding. Ideas, mentors, and companies reinforcing one another over time. Fourth, Israel. With extraordinary startup density and a culture of technical problem-solving, Israel turns research into products quickly, especially in cybersecurity, computer vision, and autonomous platforms. Elite technical units serve as training grounds for founders who build companies with global reach. The pipeline from lab to battlefield to marketplace produces tools that are robust, pragmatic, and commercially ready. Fifth, Singapore. Small in land area, vast in strategy. With a clear national AI roadmap, modern infrastructure, and pragmatic regulation, Singapore functions as a living testbed. Global firms pilot AI services there because the data plumbing works, public services are digitized, and cross-sector partnerships move fast. It's also an emerging hub for finance, cloud, and semiconductor research that underwrite AI's growth. What unites these countries isn't raw size, it's coherence. They invest early, attract and retain talent, close the loop between research and industry, and build regulatory clarity that encourages innovation while managing risk. They don't try to do everything. They pick leverage points, chips, safety, vision, robotics, finance, and go deep. Why this matters to you? Innovation now spreads through networks. Breakthroughs in Montreal quickly inform startups in Tel Aviv, which deploy in Singapore, partner in London, and manufacture in Seoul. If you're building in AI, you can learn from these ecosystems. Invest in community, connect universities with industry, standardize evaluation, and align incentives so the best science becomes the best products. The global narrative will keep focusing on superpower rivalry. But the real story includes agile nations shaping norms, supply chains, and the very questions the field tries to answer. Pay attention to them, and you'll spot the next wave before it makes the front page.